This is the Aurora Giove fountain pen. The pen comes in a large black cardboard box. It has the Aurora logo on the top of the box lid, which lifts off. Inside is a nice wooden box for the pen. It is in black, once again with the Aurora logo on the top of the box lid. Hinged lid that lifts open. And there's a bed with the pen. This is a false bottom on the box. There is a bottle of Aurora ink included, as well as warranty and information about the pen. And of course we have the Aurora Giove fountain pen. This pen comes with a beautiful speckled resin. The Aurora 88 Giove fountain pen is Giove means Saturn in Italian. So this is part of the Planet series. It's in the 88 model or body style with a rose gold finish. So it has a rose gold trim with the rose gold clip, a ring on the center of the pen. It's engraved with Aurora, and it is numbered here at the top of the pen as well, on top of the cap. There's also black on both ends of the pen, black resin on the knob and on the top of the cap. The cap is threaded and unscrews. It will post as well. There is an ink viewing window, kind of a smoky clear resin. It also has two rings on both sides in rose gold and a black section on the pen. It also has a matching 18 karat gold, rose gold nib with a black feed. Since it is a piston style pen, the body of the ink will fill, or the body of the pen will fill with the ink, and you use this knob here at the end to run the piston through the barrel of the pen to fill it with ink. Just a great design. Aurora's a great Italian brand. Get your Aurora 88 Giove fountain pen at penchalet.com.